Hi there, it's Renfred. Hope you guys are well. From my side, I'm okay. Um, some background to this video. When Fatima first moved in here, she asked me about Christmas and whether or not we do anything for Christmas. So I told her, since my mother and my grandparents are no longer here, we did for a couple of years, but after that we never really did anything for Christmas. Fatima, being Fatima, said that's about to change. She did the whole Christmas lunch. She invited my brother and his wife, Larry and Tracy. She invited our neighbor Robert, and I'm pretty sure there was other people that's always also invited. It's just I can't get to the names now. If I missed out your name, I apologize. It was a great lunch. And you know, if Fatima sets her mind to something, it's gonna be enjoyable and fun, and it was. So the next year came, and then Easter approached. She asked me the same question: what do you do for Easter? Same answer came from me. I said, when my grandparents was alive and my mother was alive, they would do the pickle fish. My grandmother would make homemade hot cross buns, and everybody would be all happy and hyped up because Easter was approaching. After my grandparents passed away and my mother passed away, we tried to keep up that tradition, but it kind of fell away, and after a while we never really did anything for Easter. Just on the hot cross buns, when my grandmother and my mother passed away, that was kind of my responsibility. I tried my best, but to be honest with you, the hot cross buns I made, you could have broken windows with them. They ended up being quite lethal. Could be used as weapons. Yeah. So Fatima said, no, we can't be doing that. It's a tradition. It's something that your grandparents, your grandmother especially, and your mother enjoyed. We're doing that. And Fatima jumped in the kitchen and made pickle fish. And then again, that became a tradition once again in this house. Every year over the Easter period, we would have pickle fish and hot cross buns. Not forgetting that we also celebrated Christmas, and we'd also have lunch on a Christmas. That would go between having a lunch and then just having a braai, but celebrating Christmas. Tradition was very important to her. Family was very important to her, and I took that to heart, and I kind of realized, no, we have to continue trying to do something on those special occasions. So that's Easter again, and Fatima always taught me, it sounds like a cliche, I think everybody knows it, if you stumble, always get up and try again. So I'm going to try, and I'm going to try to make pickle fish, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So let's do this. I hope you guys have a blessed and wonderful Easter and a safe Easter weekend. Thank you so much.